The ROG XREAL R1 are augmented reality gaming glasses created by ASUS Republic of Gamers in partnership with XREAL. They act as a portable virtual display, projecting a large, floating screen in front of your eyes instead of using a traditional monitor. The glasses feature full HD micro-OLED displays with refresh rates of up to 240 Hz, delivering smooth visuals and low latency for gaming. The virtual screen can appear as large as around 170 inches, giving a big screen experience in a compact, wearable design. They support 3 degrees of freedom head tracking, allowing the screen to stay fixed in space or follow your head movement. Electrochromic lenses adjust brightness for better visibility, and built-in Bose-tuned audio provides immersive sound. The ROG XREAL R1 were announced at CES 2026 and are expected to launch in the first half of 2026. The ROG XREAL R1 connect via USB-C and work with PCs, laptops, handheld devices like the ROG Ally, and gaming consoles using the included ROG control dock with HDMI and DisplayPort support. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more gaming and tech updates.